Okay, so metals can be extracted. That means removed from the earth. Um, which of these metals is usually found uncombined? So to know which one is uncombined, we need to know which one of these is the least reactive. And the least reactive in this list is gold. So gold is found just as gold on the earth, and we don't have to extract it at all. Zinc can be extracted by heating zinc oxide with carbon. The products are zinc and carbon dioxide. Write a word equation. Okay, so reactants first. We are taking zinc oxide and we are reacting it with carbon. And we are going to produce, it says we produce zinc and carbon dioxide. Okay? In this reaction, the zinc oxide loses oxygen. State what type of reaction takes place when this happens. So if we are losing oxygen, the reaction is a reduction reaction. That means removal of oxygen. Aluminium can be extracted in electrolysis. Okay, so how many ions are in here? So if we just look at this, okay, the ions here, there are 2 inside that formula, and the ions here are 3. So give the number of ions in the formula Al2O3. So we have got in total, we have got 5 ions in that formula. Complete the balanced equation. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is let's just count this up. So aluminium and oxygen. I've got 4 aluminiums. Now remember, the rule here is that you times the number here. So we've got 2 aluminiums there. We've got to double it because there's a 2 in front. And the same goes for the oxygen. So it's going to be 6 oxygens in total. Okay, so to get 6 oxygens here, I'm going to need to put a 3 there, because then 3 times the 2 is 6. And to get 4 aluminiums, I'm going to put a 4 in front of that, and I've got a balanced equation. Next one. Tells me that the environmental impact can be assessed in a life cycle assessment. The stages are given below. They're not in the correct order. So it wants us to put these in the right order from start to finish. Okay, so here's my answer. Let me talk you through it. The first thing you would always do is you would go and collect and obtain the chemicals, the raw materials that you need to do the job. Then you would actually make the product. Then you would use the product, and then you would get rid of the products and dispose of it, recycle it at the end of its use. Okay? And the final little bit here, which links in with that, says that aluminium can be obtained by recycling aluminium waste. Give 2 advantages of obtaining aluminium by recycling rather than mining the raw material. So there's a lot of answers to this. I've actually put 3 down. You wouldn't need to put 3, just do 2, but there's lots of answers I've not included. So here, if we recycle, it prevents aluminium from filling up in landfill. That wouldn't be good. It also means that the aluminium ore, in the Earth's crust is preserved. Remember, we can't replace that. It's a finite resource. So once we've extracted it all, it's gone. And the process of recycling actually uses less energy than mining. So there's some reasons why that's the best approach.